In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome extension download interrupted error. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to add a new extension to Chrome, only to be met with that annoying error message. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the steps needed to troubleshoot and fix this issue. First, let's open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the Google search page. I want you to type in how to fix Google Chrome extension download interrupted error and hit enter. This will bring up a series of results that offer various solutions and tips for addressing this specific problem. While it might seem overwhelming with options, we're going to focus on a specific method that often resolves the issue. Once you've performed the search, look through the search results to identify any resource or article that offers a step-by-step guide or troubleshooting advice. It's important to choose a reliable source, such as an official Chrome help page or a trusted tech website. These sources typically provide the most accurate and updated information for fixing Chrome issues. After selecting a resource, begin by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading extensions, so if there is any disruption or if you're using a weak network, it's a good idea to switch to a more reliable connection or restart your router to ensure everything's working smoothly. Next, let's verify if there's an issue with your Chrome browser itself. To do this, I recommend updating your Chrome to the latest version because outdated software can often lead to compatibility issues. To update Chrome, simply click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of your browser, then navigate to Settings. From there, click on About Chrome and let it check for updates. If an update is available, it will automatically start downloading and installing it for you. If updating doesn't do the trick, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These temporary files can sometimes interfere with downloads and other browser functions. Head over to your browser's settings again. And this time, go to Privacy and Security. There you'll find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies, but remember this will log you out of most websites, so be prepared to log back into them after. Another potential fix is to check any security software you have, like firewalls or antivirus programs. These can sometimes mistakenly identify a download as a threat and block it, causing the interruption error. Try temporarily disabling these programs and attempt the download again. Finally, restarting your computer is a simple step that can often resolve unexpected issues, including this interruption error. Once your device reboots, give the download another shot and see if it completes successfully. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Google Chrome extension download interrupted error. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful, and you're now ready to enjoy all your favorite extensions again.